nothing to do with reality. Okay. So so Supriya has decided to think about it, think it over, and come back on Monday and test drive the Toyota. Come back on Monday. Let's start the whole thing over. A little bit further as well. There's a car there, so I'm not going to open it all the way. These doors will open a little bit further as well. Let's see. Oops. Okay, maybe not. Oh, I see. Going around. Oh, it's not going to work because of the tree. I have to pull out to do that. Okay. As you can see, this is in the raw. I've done so many takes of this video. It is not easy just to do a video when you first wake up. The brain just, it's not fully firing. Okay, just breathe. Everybody else does it. It's good. It's good. Millions of people have done this. Millions of people have done this. It's just fine. Okay. Good. Good. Very good. Okay. Yeah. Isn't even recording. Oh, God. This is Elaine, my good buddy, travel grandma. You all know her as a travel grandma.
Hi.
This is our third take, by the way. Ain't nothing gonna break my stride. Ain't nothing gonna keep me down. Uh-oh. I got to keep on moving. Do 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 do. All right. Oh, that was the warm up. I don't know. Was that the Mississippi? So we'll share tips around snowboard. A quick little moment here while Dave reattaches the housing. This camera comes with a decent. Keep not looking at the camera. This is the camera.
You have a smiley face stuck to it.
Yeah, right. Something you can't not look at.
Well,
right.
if you had a face, you're looking at a face.
That's right. It'd be perfect. That's a great idea. Your van home is. We're good.
I tightened up your ball socket here.
Oh, thanks. Great. You don't hear that very often.
This thing was
well, thank you.
right here in front of God and everybody. Right?
All right. This is a really special spot. You know, you're just a couple of hours from major cities like Phoenix, Louisiana. No.
My little cabin in the wherever I park it.
And I think there's going to be a lot of laughing in this one. Yeah. Oh,
thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you for being here. And
have y'all ever seen her speechless before? Now she's supposed to be the interviewer.